Are you having problems that network error occurred on the eFootball 2026 and you want to be able to fix this? Well, then this video is going to be perfect for you, because actually I had a lot of problems with this before and this is how I fixed it. So firstly, I closed the app and instead I went into the settings app on my phone. So I just went into the settings app instead. I just scrolled down in here and I clicked on general. So in here, I just scrolled down again and I clicked on storage, as you can see. And then I just simply waited a couple of seconds for this page to completely load. So we're just going to wait a couple of seconds for all of the apps here to load. Now when it's done, just swipe up like this and then click on search up top here. Search for eFootball right here, click on it, click on upload app, and once again click on upload app in here. Just wait a couple of seconds for it to say reinstall app and then click on it. And now just simply wait for the eFootball app to completely update to its latest version. Might take a couple of minutes. You shouldn't lose any progress, by the way. What happens instead is that your app will update to its latest version. So it's going to fix all the bugs that wasn't in the previous version, if that makes sense. But this is basically exactly how I fixed it myself.